Y'all, my bangs and my hair don't never cooperate for videos, but I'm gonna make the quickest seafood boil I possibly can. I have already deveined and cleaned my shrimp. I've already cleaned my crabs ahead of time, so that took a little bit of time off. But I'm about to show y'all what I use and get to it. Now, this is what's gonna go in my water, and this is what's gonna go in my butter sauce, and we're gonna put it all together. Obviously, if I was doing a full boil, I would do it fresh, but we ain't got time for that at 9:21 at night, so we finna make it shake. I'm gonna be using this double pot so I can steam my boil, don't overcook it, and I can watch it a little bit better. Yeah, so like I said, I was gonna be lazy. Y'all can thank HEB for the sides, and I'm gonna add another sausage to this because that's just simply not enough. I'm sorry. This is also my favorite butter on earth. Oh my God. So I'm gonna season my sides and put some butter on it and pop it in the oven. Put this in the oven for 20 minutes. Start with some water. I put like half the bag. I don't know. I'm gonna go back in with this spice blend. I'm not gonna show y'all me seasoning all of this. I cleaned out this jar. Rolling boil means it's ready for the stuff to go in. Don't forget about your taters. Yeah, raw shrimp, because nobody got time to deal with no hard, rubbery cooked shrimp. This is quite literally the quickest boil I've ever done. So here go my shrimp and my crab. When I say I want crab, this is what I mean. Y'all hear babies yelling? Lord Jesus. My potatoes. Not the gulp. And the sausage and the corn. And then my garlic butter. Doing amazing. Nice and thick. Cause, yeah, okay. I marry all my ingredients and I let it soak. Salmon croquettes for the kids.